Welcome to SRP Live, where we break down the hottest Ripple and SRP news shaping the crypto world today. In next 20 to 30 minutes of this live stream, we cover the latest on pending ETF approvals, market predictions, and the whole activity of Ripple partnership. Guys, sorry for the technical reason. I'm back. And let's talk about today's market predictions, the whale activity and Ripple partnership, and what it means for the holder portfolio this October 2025. Drop those questions in the chat. Are you trading or holding or just watching SRP drama unfold? Let's dive into it. And if I get a time, I can drag it and I can analyze the chart also. So first, let's talk about the first up, the big headlines, the SRP spots and future ETF applications are pending right now. The seven providers first, Bitwise, Grayscale, PoShares, CoinShares, Turtle and Canary and 21 shares are in the queue. The SEC is expected to review and possibly approve this application between October 30 to October 20. If approved, SRP could join Bitcoin and Ethereum as one of the few crypto available in a mainstream ETF. What does that mean to you? The ETF approval could trigger a massive institutional inflow. The analytics estimate 5 to 15 billion could flow into a SRP, pushing demand and reducing available supply. Chet, do you think ETF will change the crypto game or it's really all hype? The second thing which I want to really talk about is the Ripple regulatory and political updates. So as we wait on ETF decision, regulatory drama continues. The SEC has extended some ETF reviews to November, like Franklin Templeton feeling the fuel uncertainty and near-term price swing, plus a political favors in Washington, like crypto legalizations and Clarity Act could reshape a digital asset rules before the year ends. The Ripple recently partnered with the BlackRock, Vanguard, and Securitize to tokenize money market in the fund. A sector is worth of 7.4 trillion. If successful, holders will be able to redeem the asset directly on chain using Ripple RL USD stablecoin. That's a big news, and not just SRP holder, but for the entire crypto industries. The third. Now let's talk about SRP price and prediction, right? It's an actions also. Let's look at the chart and forecast. SRP is currently consolidating the near to, as you can see in the screen, is I can be rounded up with 2.56 cent, rebounding after a sharp dip. Well wallet, big holders are accumulating, which often signal as implement breakout. The analytics predicts that ETF are approved and SRP breaks about $2.80 to $3.10 resistance corridor. Targets of $3.60 to $5 are in the play by the year end. The projection for the October, I think the most technical analytics expect the SRP to trade between $2.33 to $2.69 with the upside potential if ETF optimize the price side. Some forecasts go much higher. a clean breakout could send SRP to what $4.40 or even $5 this year. What price are you watching? Type your target in the chat or comment. So let's talk about the risk. The larger holders, the whales, have recently sold up to 15 billion worth of SRP daily, creating a strong selling pressure and sharp price corrections. If the key support level is near 2.75 cent break, SRP could side as low as $2.20 on a heavy volume. So management is crucial in a time like this. Also ETF approval isn't guaranteed. Any regulatory reversible or further SEC delays could cap the upside and trigger volatility. Especially, the broader market flatters. Crypto move fast. And are you ready for the wild quarter four? The Ripple company is pushing innovation on demand, liquidity, and RLUSD stablecoin adoption at over 300 institutions globally. The network is strong, fundamental, and growing on chain volume mean more utility of SRP long term. As let's see this final minute for this chat. Shout out on an open Q&A. And before that, I might thinking of maybe I can do some of the chart analytic that gonna help you out. Because I always this is something new I'm doing this channel. So let me do. You can just give me a second. Let me hold on. You can see the price is moving, and because and again, guys, thanks for turning in SRP live, guys. So I'm gonna go more on this SRP thing. So let me analyze this. As you can see, the right now the price is $2.56 SRP. So today now what we're gonna do is a real-time SRP USDT price analysis right here in this exchange. And if you're watching, drop your favorite emoji and let me know if you're holding SRP or just checking out the chart. Someone who's watching this video again in the highlights, please do comment in the chat, also give a like. So this is very important because in this channel I make SRB content of more, and also you can subscribe to my free newsletter. One free quant prediction I'm going to send you in your email right away every day, I believe. So yeah, every day, yes. So all right, looking at the screen, you can see the SRP is trading at around $2.56 right now, and this chart has been bouncing up and down fairly typically for crypto. You see those green and red candles, have had some drops below $2.52 and recovers up to $2.58 in the past hours, and volume picking up, which means traders are getting active and are what do you say? The traders are getting active and feeling bullish or bearish today. Let me know in chat. Take a look at this order book. Most orders are stacking nearly 2.56 cent to $2.54 with a lots of shelling pressure just about $2.57. And that's mean we might see some quick pops and dip if large order go through. And if you're looking to trade, keep an eye on those big red numbers that where seller wants out. And yes, that's our resistance level. And type buy or sell in the chat if you think SRP will blast. So where could SRP go next? I already spoken about it, but let me again. According to chart, if we can hold about $2.56 and we see some ETF approval news soon, we could pop up $2.60 to $2.65. But if a Stella wins and we drop under 2.54, support is down at $2.50. Remember, there is a lot of ETF talk this week, right? So and whales are moving big money. So sudden moves are possible. What's your price target in SRP this week? Let me know in chat. And before we wrap up, here are some quick tips. And so set your stop loss. Don't over trade. The small things. Maybe watch your any news updates on. I always say crypto move fast, so always contact you again. So any question, type in comment. And if you enjoy this analysis, guys, smash the like button, subscribe for more real time crypto. Let's see crypto goes today live, and yeah, catch you next time, guys. Thank you.